Hi everyone, let me go over a tutorial how to use Adobe Connect in a nutshell. I know that there are so many documentations here and guide that will take forever, so let me get to the point with this tutorial here where you can just follow the steps that I will go through. So I am now in the knowledge management course, the 590, and I went to the Adobe Connect for Teams. Then this is what you will see here. You will see those two links. So I will click on the first link here, which will take me to Adobe Connect for KU Medical Center, where I will have to log in. Each one of you have a login, which is the same login that you use for your email and KUMC other sign-ons. So let's see, and then I'll just log in. The system is a little bit slow, so it's gonna take a while to load. So we'll wait for it and be patient. Alright, so now it will take us to this page, which is still loading. Okay, here we go. So this is, that was the test here I just did for the Team Blue. But this is what you will see. Yours might be just clean. You will not have anything under names here. So you will see those two icons or buttons here. So to create each team will need at least one person to go through this to create a meeting. So you will click on a meeting. So one of you of your team, who will be the team leader, need to go through those steps and then share the link. So please pay attention. So let's say that this is Team Blue. Team Blue, and I'll just call them 590. Team Blue, the same thing. I'll just put here or HAIM. Just copy this guy and put it here for the link. That way it just gives me a name for the URL to know which is which. Now when you look at those icons here or radio buttons, you will need to click on this radio button here where it says anyone who has the URL for the meeting can enter the room. So that way not everyone has to log in if they don't want to. So update information, then I will just go next. So let's wait for it. Now it is showing me as a host. In your case, whoever is doing this, the team leader in your team, will be shown as a host. You can search for your other team members from here. Let's say that my other team member, whoever wants to be, let's say, Nori. I will invite him or add him to be in this Adobe Connect room. So here, if you see that he is a participant, and I can also make him a host. That way, if I am as a host, I might not have all the privileges. I mean, if you are a participant, you might not have all the privileges, like, for example, recording that meeting. So you need to be a host. So I can change Norb's status here, instead of participant to a host, by just clicking on permissions and then host. So now he is the host, and then I'll just go next. So in your case here, you can add all your team members to this link. Then you can just say yes. You can say yes, that way you can receive an email with the link, and then finish. Now when you finish, you will get the URL. So this is the URL that you can copy and send it to the rest of the team members, where you can use this every time you have a meeting. You can use this link, which if I open it, it will open for me. So now it will open for me this Adobe Connect room where we can all participate. So make sure that you connect to your to the audio. So if the screen allow, that way when you speak, you can see here that it shows. Other things that you might need to do is to share your screen with others. You might share my screen. Yes, I want to share my screen with others. You can say yes, and then you can just follow on. What else? You can also share documents. I'm sure that you have used this before. If I want to share a document, I want to upload a file, or share my content, or you can browse my computer for that. So I can just search for any document that I have here. So I'll just say this. So now you can see it's uploading or converting this. That way everyone can share this document and look at it. So we'll just wait for that. And now you can see here. So now you can share this and discuss with your team members. And you can also manage. If you want another team member, you want to make them a presenter. That way they can share their screen. You can just right click on their names and then do that. So make sure that your voice is selected. And another thing, important thing, is that if you want to record the video, which is required that you send the URL for the recording. So you will need to go to meetings here, and then where it says record meeting. So I will record the meeting. I will call it test 1 for now, which is very short. So now it is recording, and I am going to stop it in a second. Here we go. Now I'm going to stop it. And since I stopped it now, I should be able to go to the main plugin where I logged in. Here is my account. Just refresh this guy. And then I will go to recordings, where it says recordings. Now there is one step here that is very important to notice. If you are going to send me a link, make sure that first that meeting, so let's see, it seems to be okay. So this is the meeting that I just recorded, and it says private. You will need to change it from private to public. So you will need to click on this guy here to the checkpoint, or the check that ready button, and then make public. In order to make it public, so now it is public. You click on this guy, it will open now that session, and this is the URL that you will be sending to me as a proof, or for the required assignments that you had a meeting. And then when I open this link, since it is public now, I can open it. I don't have to log into my account, and this is how it will sound like recording. And I am going to stop it in a second. Here we go. Now I'm gonna stop. See, so now this looks great, and I think this is all that you need to know about Adobe, at least for the meantime. But if you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know, and I would be happy to answer them. All right, good luck. Bye.